Allison, I'm at Piney Point Baptist Church, and today they were expecting the National Guard to actually bring a water tank here around noon, but it still hasn't showed up yet, and the pastor says the last that he's heard is that it's still on the way. But right now, some neighbors are getting ready to serve dinner for anyone that needs a meal, and they've got some packaged sandwiches, and they're waiting on a smoked turkey. And someone from Sheepdog also stopped by earlier dropping off cases of bottled water. And I spoke to some neighbors earlier about what they're needing most right now. And the pastor says some people have city water, but while others have well water. And so people with well water don't have power to get that water up. So that's one of the main concerns right now.
Honestly, water. We all haven't had a bath in like a week. Since this has all started, we're all covered. We've been wearing the same clothes because our clothes are still buried.
Everything has pretty much been run off of generators and ice. We're off of city water, so right now there's not really much water either. Everything's going to start running out of gas pretty soon if the power's not restored.
The pastor says they're hoping to get that water tank here by this evening, if not tomorrow. Live in Rogers, Valerie Zhang, 4829 News.